Hello, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Here's Garutay again. To this video, guys, I'm gonna show you for what we're doing. Yesterday, we leave in the house at 11 o'clock. We get home at 10 o'clock in the night. So, I'm gonna show you what we're doing yesterday. And I'm gonna show you the receipt first. Okay, this is what we're doing yesterday. This receipt, if you see it too long, but it's because I scan the items like if I have a lot, I just count the items and punch it there. Because if I do it individual, this is probably too long. And I heard somebody say, "Oh, that's the very long receipt." No, it's not too long because if I did not scan and count the items before punch it, the numbers or how many, it's gonna be too long, more too long. So this is the receipts. Also, I did the same. Me and my husband, we've been doing that. We're helping with my daughter. And if we don't scan it like what I said, it's gonna be they are long. Except this, they have, well, anyway, that's all the receipts. And so I'm gonna show you guys what we have. And that's for the Philippines. Yung mga binili. Ayan na. Ayan na. Oh. Ang dami. Hindi pa na labas yung iba. Dami. So, tapos itanggal ko yan sa mamaya. Yun ang Yan ay para sa yung naka-ready dyan. Yan, yan, naka-ready. Nandoon yung iba, nilagay ko doon, Kita nyo yung nagbundok doon? Nasa sahig at nasa upuan, yon kasama yan dyan sa mga na yan. Kaya, pagod guys. Ngayon ko lang nagawa kasi panggabi man ako.